So a while back, I did a tutorial video on how to register for a Amanah Saham Nasional Berhad or ASNB account online through the My ASNB app, and then subsequently how to buy Amanah Saham or ASM units through the My ASNB app. To watch the video, I'll put the links above and in the description below. But do you know that you can buy ASM units directly through your bank account? So in today's video, we'll do a walkthrough on how to buy some ASM or Amanah Saham units through your bank account. And the bank that we'll be using is Maybank. And we're going to do it on the desktop. But before we continue, this is just a tutorial video. This is not financial advice. Do your own research and invest at your own risk. Before we continue, if you're looking for home decor and home improvement items, we have things you need to improve, beautify and style your living room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, study room, guest room, office, balcony, garden and porch. So shop now at IpropFans.com/shop. You can also find the link below and in the description as well. So you need to link your ASNB account to your Maybank account. After you have logged in into your Maybank M2U account, go to settings on the top right, then look for ASNB account. Then key in your ASNB account number and details to link the account. Then go to My Accounts, and then in the Wealth tab, you should see your linked ASNB account. Now to buy some Amanah Saham units directly in your Maybank account, go to Pay and Transfer on the top right, then go to Transfer. Then choose the account you want to transfer from. Then at Transfer To, look for ASNB accounts. Then below, you'll see your ASNB own accounts. Check Amanah Saham Malaysia. If you've initially signed up and bought some ASM units directly through your My ASNB app or website, then your ASM accounts will show here as well. Then in the pop-up, input the amount that you want to transfer. If the fund is open and accepting new funds, then your transaction will go through. If they are closed and not accepting any new funds, then the transaction will not go through. Then you have to wait for the next round when ASM is open again to the public for investing. But if the ASM fund is open and your transaction goes through, you can see it directly in your Maybank M2U account. Go to Wealth under My Accounts, then scroll down to ASNB. Then you should see your updated ASM funds and amount in your Maybank account, the Amanah Saham units that you just bought through your Maybank account. So that's it on Amanah Saham, ASNB, and your Maybank linking account. I hope you found today's video helpful, and if you liked today's video and learned something from today's video, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay updated and stay tuned for more videos like this today, and also other videos like in real estate, investing, finance and home products. And with that being said, see you in the next video.